Your house has air conditioning. A farmhouse built in 1887 did not. And on a 95-degree day, the inside of that farmhouse was 15 degrees cooler than the outside. No electricity, no machinery, no cost. They knew something we forgot. Here is what it was. The first principle, thermal mass. Stone, brick, adobe, and thick clay walls absorb heat slowly during the day, storing it and release it slowly at night when temperatures drop. A modern wall is thin, insulated. It transfers heat fast. An old wall was thick, dense. It delayed heat transfer by hours. The trick was timing. Open the windows at night, cool the mass down. Close them in the morning before the heat builds. The walls then act as a thermal battery, holding the cool you stored overnight and releasing it slowly through the hottest part of the day. This is why a stone church in August feels cold inside. Not because of shade, because of mass. The second principle, move the air. Old houses were not built with windows randomly placed. Windows were positioned on opposite and adjacent walls, deliberately staggered, so air entering on one side would sweep across the room before exiting on the other. This is cross-ventilation, and it works because of pressure. Wind hits one face of the building, high pressure. The opposite side becomes low pressure. Air is pulled through. Combined with the stack effect, hot air rises and escapes through high openings, pulling cooler air in from below. And you have a continuous airflow system that requires zero energy. Atriums, ventilation shafts, high clear-story windows. These were not decorative choices. They were engineering. Third, block the sun before it reaches the wall. Deep porches, wide overhangs, shutters on the west side. Deciduous trees planted to the southwest. Shade in summer, sunlight in winter when the leaves fall. The afternoon sun is the most dangerous. Old builders minimized west-facing windows for exactly this reason. And water. Courtyards with fountains. Dampened reeds over windows. Earthenware pots placed near air currents. As water evaporates, it pulls heat from the surrounding air. The same principle as sweating. In Persia, wind catchers caught prevailing winds from above, channeled them down through underground passages cooled by the earth, and delivered cool air directly into living spaces. 7,000 years ago. Now think about what happens when the grid goes down. Your air conditioning stops. Your insulated modern walls, designed to trap temperature, will hold the heat inside like an oven. The people in 1887 would have been fine. Most people today will not know what to do. Identify the coolest room in your home. Lowest floor, north-facing, most mass. Open windows at night. Close them before 9 a.m. Block west-facing windows in the afternoon. If you have a basement, use it. The earth below your feet stays at roughly 55 degrees Fahrenheit year-round. They did not have less. They understood more. The grid is fragile. You are not. This is Cal Hunter. Grid Zero.